Pero delikado talaga lalamove kasi, for example, yung TV, depende sa inches yan. Eh kung puta, pag sakay sa'yo, wala namang problema.
Graduation. Ha? Graduate na yung taon na ito. Ginagawa ko. Busy sa kakatulog. Ole.
Miss Jonah S. Reward. Princess Janet Wendy Luna, Celine Joy F. Perez, with honors. Molex S. Orsic, with honors. Jermaine C. Saligaw. Cindy R. Norella.
Transforms this milestone into a celebration of resilience, growth, and futures we are now ready to claim. 4 years ago, I entered junior high as someone young, balancing school, family duties, and my own insecurities felt like carrying a mountain I wasn't strong enough to climb. And then, there was the STU program. A special section of what I thought were 14 elites. The best of the best. They say there's no room for mistakes. They're full of geniuses. And they're always perfect. But you see, everything changed when I finally stepped into our school campus. I realized that high school isn't about perfection. It's about people. The classmates who shared notes when we fell behind. The teachers who stayed after class to untangle confusing lessons just for us. Friends who pushed us to join clubs we never thought we'd love.
Efficiently. Honestly and efficiently. To our chosen vocation. For the each experience with an open heart. Be the catalyst for positive change in your community and the spirit of unity, not just in words, but in actions.